Hello guys, I'm Clara. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to talk about Instagram like app, or you can just call it Instagram clone app, its features and its cost. To begin with, what is Instagram clone app? Instagram clone app is a photo and video sharing app which is developed from clone scripts by taking inspiration from ongoing popularity and success of Instagram. Long story short, it's just building an app similar like Instagram. Now let's jump right into features. Number 1. Login feature. It is easy to log in with just an email ID or other social media accounts. Number 2. Edit profile option. Option for editing profile is available for users to upload their profile pictures, bio and many more. Number 3. Setting page. Well, there's a whole bunch of categories to set like security, language, privacy, etc. Number 4. Uploading feature. By this, I mean users can upload and share photos and videos right from their gallery or by using phone's camera instantly. Number 5. Image and video filters. I feel this feature really cool, being able to make the photos and videos more fun and attractive. Number 6. Newsfeed, where users can check the latest post of whom they are following and be updated. Number 7. Activity log. It allows users to gain an insight about the actions taken on Instagram clone. Number 8. Explore option. It enables users to literally explore everything and anything they like, right from traveling to shopping, arts, music, you name it. Number 9. Chat option. It allows users to message directly and connect with people more personally. These are just some basic features, and not to mention, it has also powerful admin dashboards with cloud text integration. Now, let's talk about cost required to build an app like Instagram. Actually, there is no any exact cost. It depends on various parameters like which platform you want to use it, in Android or iOS or both. User interface design, like what type of design you would use for your interface, or whether you want to build a hybrid one or a native one. It also depends on complexity of features and functionality of the app. These are only some factors. Many more factors comes into consideration while deciding its cost. Generally, the cost to develop an app like Instagram can be calculated by a simple formula. The formula is hours required to develop multiplied by hourly cost of development, which equals to total app development cost. I'm not going into details to explain the formula, but it is clear from the formula that hours taken to develop is one of the key factors that determines the cost. It may take approximately like 400 to 700 hours, and I would say minimum cost for making an app like Instagram takes around 4,000 to 5,000 US dollars. So, if you are an entrepreneur and really inspired by the idea of Instagram and want to generate some advertisement revenue along the way, then you should consider building an app like Instagram. We here at Omninos Solutions develop Instagram clone apps as well as other social media apps with fully customizable options. By customizable, I mean it doesn't necessarily have to be exactly like Instagram, but you can add, modify or erase features according to your requirements and preferences. It is available for both Android and iOS platforms. Another thing is, though it may be launched successfully, bugs become the main culprit. But Omninos Solutions will make sure that your Instagram clone app is bug-free with secure installation. So guys, why wait? Make your dreams come into reality with Omninos Solutions. The contact details are mentioned in the description below. Feel free to contact anytime. Thank you.